So I'm hoping that getting rid of this stupid shoulder that was there for some reason will give me enough room, because there's a channel right there that my finger pointing at that the gear has to fit into to slide up so I can get the bolts in. And it's being real difficult. It was really a tight squeeze because there's a brace right here and the motor wouldn't slide past it. So I'm hoping with that shoulder gone, there's enough room.
All we can see, sir.
I was hoping I'd take these screws out and like the main gear and stuff would just stay in there. But that wasn't the case. Shit, that'll work right. Because I know some dickhead in the comments. Like I got a comment the other day on my how to try and diagnose rod knocking your engine. Somebody responded, "Total waste of time video. Spark has nothing to do with rod knocking." No, the thing that makes the explosion inside of the fucking cylinder wouldn't have anything to do with it. So, just somebody who doesn't know what the fuck they're talking about, like usual, commenting on YouTube. And my point was, it was a possible way to help you, because if you take away the spark and the knock goes away or gets less, that's obviously the cylinder that it's in, which is how I actually diagnosed mine and found it and fixed it on that white one back there. She pans over and shows you. That white one over there, who's got 20,000 miles now on the rod job I did on him 2 years ago.
Rod job.
Rod job. Because I bought that thing to drive the piss out of it, and drive the piss out of it I have. I've had it for about 6 years, and I put about 40,000 miles on it. But there's always somebody in the comments that knows more than you do. That's okay if it's legitimately something they know more than me, but stupid is as stupid does. Well, everybody, this time on Fuck My Life, I put new rotors and brakes on the Mustang Cobra, the old Snowbra here, but now it's having a squeaking kind of rubbing noise in the front for some reason. And I took it around the block, tried to figure out what's wrong with it, and this side was smoking pretty bad. So either I didn't bleed the brakes right, which we're going to try and do today, or which I hope isn't the case, I need new hubs and wheel bearings. So I already looked them up, I can find them, but parts for these cars are getting hard to come by in the parts stores. So if I gotta go to the parts store and order something, it's gonna take a couple days to get there. I'm not ordering it from the parts store, I'm just gonna order it from somewhere online, because it usually comes faster and it's usually cheaper. So we're gonna take the tires off and bleed brakes. So yay! I'm not gonna be too in depth on this. Everybody's bled brakes before, but if you haven't, there's plenty of other videos out there on how to do that. It's not a difficult procedure, but it's a little content for the channel. We got some surprises coming up for the old Snowbra. Unfortunately, the surprise is going to take 2 fucking months to get here, but it is what it is. But when it gets here, we're going to have a whole video on that. So stay tuned for that. And without further ado, let's get on.
Shoes attached to something. Shoes attached to something.
Oh my God, thank you. This is what happens when your kids fucking with tools. I just dumped out half my Craftsman set because he didn't close the goddamn lid. Thank you, son. Appreciate it. Yeah. Now you should have a little, bottle with a tube on it so you can catch that brake fluid coming out. You should have that. I tried to set that up, but my vacuum tubing is gone. I have a vacuum bleeder, which would let me do this by myself, but my dad bought it. Never brought it back. Papa? Not the horn. Papa 3 times more. Alright. And it's that easy because, well, this is the nearest one and there's nowhere in the line, so hopefully that fixes the problem. I'm gonna put the tire back on and I'm moving on to the other side. Do the same thing.
Why can't it see you?
It's pointed at the front of the car.
You're like right here.
Okay.
But I'll do
Right
this.
there?
No, you're right fucking here.
I thought it was there.
No, you're like right there.
Okay.
You know, all this. All of
This?
No, this.
How about that?
How about Did we get that on camera?
Absolutely.
Shit. Don't move, camera. Was it the subscribers that you were telling to die
See, people, she laughs at my pain. You guys vote down in the comments.
I'm not laughing at his pain. I'm just realized something like this was funny.
No, I get to edit this.
I know you do.
So
Wait, did you say I was gonna edit something?
you can help me. Yeah. Alright. Fill the reservoir up. Close it up. Now we will go wash our filthy, grubby hands. And then come back and see how she runs.
We're going for a ride.
You're not gonna be able to hear shit because the top's down.
You're not gonna be able to hear anything.
And you'll just be able to hear wah, wah.
Listen to see if you hear whatever else. Something rubbing.
Yeah, so fuck.
Gotta put the top back up, y'all.
We're gonna have to be some fried fucking fat fucks. It's hot. It's hot out, everybody.
Uh-oh. It's getting enclosed. Just gonna make this our view, because